name is Amy, and welcome to Vitex, where we offer renovations for homes, and we have a large variety of cabinets, countertops, and flooring, all of your choice. And we will be going over a transformation of a before and after for the lovely couple of Carlos and Valerie. In the current kitchen, we have these tower cabinets and pendant lighting, and which we will remove these cabinets, add smaller ones, and then have counter space with a single pendant light. Over here in the kitchen area, we have this top layer of soffit, which we are going to remove, and we will place more cabinets so that there will be more space. All of these cabinets will be renovated, of course, new kitchen appliances. The fridge will go deeper into the cabinets, so there will be more functional space. And the stovetop is not in a very comfortable area. In this area over here, we will go ahead and change out all of these lower cabinets. We will remove the dishwasher and place more cabinet space. We will go ahead and remove these cabinets, add more cabinets to the top, and we will go ahead and create a drop-down box so all of these extra appliances will have a place to go. Now over in this area we have cabinets lining the top, which obscure the vision to the rest of the living area. So we will be removing that. We'll be removing this wall over here, and we'll be expanding the counter space. Along this area we have a roundabout, which we will go ahead and square off, and that will provide a more sleek, more modern look, and we'll go ahead and do the same to this back side as well. So over in this area we have this window, and that will provide more light as soon as these top cabinets will be removed. So this is the design plans that we have configured with the owners. So let's go ahead and head over to the house and see all of the changes that have been made. Welcome to the home of Carlos and Valerie. We are Vitex, and we have created this beautiful kitchen. And here we have the organization drawer with storage. So here you can store all of your Tupperware, and we have these different dividers, and you can store all of your lids, and the bowls are on the bottom, and they are all customized. So you have these little rings here, and that will help create a more customized appeal to what kind of bowls you have. And then it slides right back in there with a soft close. And next we have a Lazy Susan. And this is neat because we have two levels, and it spins, so you can go ahead and access everything in the back and then bring it back to the front. The utensil drawer, and this is really convenient because when you're over here cooking, you need to place your utensils somewhere, and it's easy access because you have them all right here, right next to your stove top. And then a beautiful finished close. And then along here, we have the waterfall finish of the soapstone. And it's really convenient, gives it a really beautiful classic finish, and it protects your cabinets as well on the outside. And it just gives it an overall beautiful finish. Every kitchen comes with a hood ventilator, but you see we don't have one here. So wondering where it is? Well, with the push of a button, we have our hood downdraft ventilator. And the way you turn it on is on the side, and you have different levels of low and then very high. And then with a push of a button, it goes back down. And then we have the utensil drawer, and this is neat because you can store a lot of different containers with all these different utensils, and we have different drawers here, so you can store whatever you would like. Appliance garage, and this also slides out, and then you can hold whatever you would like in there, and then you put it away, so when you have guests over, you can just put it away and close that. And then we have these cabinets over here, and instead of your traditional light that comes from the top, we have these LED cylinders that are customized to your cabinets. Farmhouse sink over here, and the farmhouse sink is really comfortable just because you have so much room in here. You can fit, large pans, cookie sheets, anything that you're baking. And also it's made out of porcelain, which is really easy to clean. You don't end up having to scrub like a stainless steel appliance, so it's really convenient to use. And then you have your bay window. Bay window gives you, that beautiful lookout when you're, washing the dishes. If you'd like to put, greenery or anything of your choice, pretty much. And this is really comfortable. You're not having to go search for it. It's right here. And you can have like a backup right there. And it's really convenient. It slides right back into the drawer. Garbage. And this is neat. You can actually store both types. You can have your regular garbage, and then you have your recycle, and they're 18 inches, so you do have some space in here. This drawer, and this is the metal mesh, and this is the produce drawer. So you can keep your produce here, and it keeps the ventilation, so it keeps them fresh. A very convenient drawer over here. It opens, and it's a Lazy Susan, very comfortable to reach. And we also have the customized LED lights. And then we have an upgrade feature. We have the under the cabinet lighting, and you touch that and you can tap it on and off, and it's convenient when cooking. You have access to all this lighting, so it's very convenient, easy to use, and just turn it off. Spice rack in the cabinet, and it's really convenient because you have all of the different shelving, and right where you meal prep, so you can have easier access going in and out, and versus going really deep into those shelves, this makes for more shelving room, so it's really convenient of use. The counter deep refrigerator. The convenience of a counter deep refrigerator versus a traditional refrigerator is that it goes deeper into the cabinets, and you actually have a lot more walkway versus a traditional refrigerator, which sticks about 6 more inches out. So definitely a must in the kitchen. Appliances that we have next are the microwave and the oven. And the microwave actually serves as an oven as well, so that's really convenient. And on top of the appliances, we have the racks, and they're customized, so you can go ahead and have like your cooking sheets, your different serving plates, so they're all on display and you don't have to go digging for them. And another awesome feature is going from the oven. If you have a hot dish and you're wondering where do I put it, you have the cooking range right here. Over in this area, we actually had a pantry, and to make it a little bit more user-friendly and just, you know, overall appealing, we've added cabinets, and we've added the soapstone here, as well as the beautiful backsplash. And starting off with the cabinets, we have these cabinets over here, and they're really convenient because they slide out, and then you have all of your dishes right here, and it slides right back in, and you have two different levels over here. And then also a really neat feature is we have the dish rack right here, and the dish rack is really easy to use. The dishes will come right out. The little cylinders come out as well, so if you ever need to, you know, get in there and clean, you don't have to, you know, worry about how am I going to fit my hand in there. They all come out, and then they place right back in there. And it's really easy. You just place your dishes over from here onto your dinner table. And then once again, we have the customized LED lights at the very top. What's really convenient is you have the touch lights here as well. And then we have the, oh my gosh, sorry. I need to get the giggles out.